Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to correctly remove Read AI on Zoom. To remove Read AI from a Zoom meeting, a participant can type read stop or opt out in the meeting chat, or the host can remove the Read AI participant from the participant list. To prevent Read AI from joining future meetings, you can uninstall the Read app from the Zoom app marketplace or adjust your Read AI account settings to disable auto join. During a meeting, for a specific meeting, type read stop in the chat to have Read AI leave and generate a report of the meeting up to that point. For a permanent end to the meeting, type opt out in the chat to have Read AI leave and delete all recorded data from the meeting. As the host, find the Read AI note taker in the participant list, hover over its name and click the remove option. To prevent future meetings, uninstall the app. Go to the Zoom app marketplace and uninstall the Read AI app from your list of installed apps. Adjust Read AI settings. Log into your Read AI account. Go to your settings and disable the option to auto-open or auto-join meetings. Why Read AI might be in your meeting? Someone invited it. Read AI might have been invited by another meeting participant. You installed the app. You may have installed the Read AI app from the Zoom marketplace and have the auto-open in meetings option enabled. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.